Student, today we are going to learn a poem of class 2nd English. I hope you all are fine at your home, and in this pandemic period, in this lockdown period, you are not going to school. But I prepared a one video for you, then you can learn it easily. So, first of all, I want to share a PowerPoint presentation of this lesson. Now I introduce myself. My name is Harshad Bhatt from KVEME Baroda. Today we are going to learn a poem on my blackboard I can draw from class 2 English. Student, can you see something on the screen? Now give me what is it? Yes, it is a blackboard. And you all know that the blackboard is used by the teacher as well as the student also. Student can also write something on the blackboard. He can draw something on the blackboard, and teacher also use the blackboard to teach the student. But today we are going to learn a poem, and its name is On My Blackboard I Can Draw. In this poem, the student, the child wants to tell us what he can draw on the blackboard. You can see many things in this blackboard. You can see the book, the clock, the pen, the bell, the aeroplane, paper aeroplane. Okay, many things are there on the blackboard, but the students of this poem wants to draw something on his blackboard, and he want to tell us by the poem. So let us see the poem. Okay, before we read the poem, look at this picture. In this picture, the one boy is there. He is drawing something on his blackboard. He draw one house, one door, three steps, four chimneys, five windows, big gate, two big gates, and six yellow marigolds. He draw these all things on his blackboard, and so he sing the poem and he tell us what he do in this blackboard. So I first read the poem and sing the poem. You all listen it carefully. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. Okay, have you enjoyed the poem? Okay, first line says that on my blackboard I can draw. The child says that on my blackboard I can draw. Then what he draw? So listen, one little house with one green door. He says I will draw one little house with one green door. In the second line, he says two brown gates that open wide. He says, I will draw two brown gates and which open wide. Next, he says three red steps that lead inside. He says that he will draw three steps which lead inside the house. But do you know what is the color of the steps? Yes, it is red. He says, I will draw the steps which lead inside, and the color of the step is red. Before it, he says, I will draw two gates, and the color of the gates which he will draw is brown. And before it, he says, I will draw one little house, and in one little house he will draw one door, and the color of the door is green. Next, he says four little chimneys painted white. He says, I will draw four little chimneys on my house. And see in this picture, he draw four little chimneys. And he says, I will draw four little chimneys, and the color of the chimneys will be white. Next, he says, five little windows shining bright. Now you can see in the picture there are five little windows, and the windows are shining very bright. Then he says, I will draw on my blackboard five little windows, and which is shining very bright. Then he says, six yellow marigold straight and tall. Now you can see here are also six yellow marigolds, and that all the six yellow marigolds are straight and they are growing along the wall. And then he says six yellow marigold straight and tall growing up against the wall. Now you can see the six yellow marigolds are growing along the walls. Okay, student, I hope you understand it. Now, let us know the question and answers and how to give the answer of this question. In your textbook, this page is also given and you have to give the answer of the question. So, first of all, one question is, how many windows does the house have in this poem? We have read it. There are how many windows? There are five windows. So we can give the answer like this. The house has five little windows in this poem. Again, I'll give the answer. The house has five little windows in this poem. Now, our next question is, where do the marigolds grow? Now the answer is, the marigold grow against the wall. It is simple. When we read the poem, we will easily find out the answer from these questions. Next, if you don't know how to give the answer, then you have to read this poem one time, two time, and three time. Okay, children. Goodbye. Next time we will meet again with the new lesson. Okay, bye bye.